What is up and what is good, YouTube? It's your boy hwac Ron here, back at it again with another video. Okay, that sounded pretty good, right? Sounded pretty good. I'm gonna have to rewind it and do all that and see if it was good. All right, so we're getting back on the grind, people. Back on the grind. I don't know if you've seen some of my latest videos. I don't even know if I've posted about my work. But right now we had another guy that was working with us, and unfortunately he is not with us anymore. Well, he didn't die, but like he's not working with us no more. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna tape up all these things right now and go up into the unit and check it all out. Check it out. Check out your test. Check out your scores. So what? Normally it's just like close to the walls that you it happens. I don't know, it goes like this one. I don't think I'm gonna. Yeah, see this one. I don't think I'm gonna use that spray. Yeah, unnecessary to use a spray on this one. And that's how it is. We just go around taping the buckets. For example, that one, and so forth. I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere where I can do like a time lapse, hopefully. All right, I'm gonna set you guys right there. bigger than one behind you guys. Okay, I lied. We're not gonna test it because there's, I don't know if you see that big thing over there, but that's the power. It's knocked down right here also, and there's power all the way. I don't believe that's power either, but I believe that's power for that house. So we can't test the house. But I'm gonna give you the gist of what the inspector, well, honestly I don't know what the inspector looks for on these houses. I just know that I gotta, one, tape up all the buckets, that being returns, supplies, correct? Boom, boom, boom. Tape all those up, put your machine on the return, on the big return. Well, not even the big return, just one of the returns, either in the master or in the living, whether it's in the living or in the walkway. Sometimes it's in the hallway. Dang, I'm trying not to say a lot. Yeah, and you know, that's fucking dumb. But sometimes he goes up in there, sometimes he doesn't. So, one, tape up the buckets. Two, test the house, make sure it's what we call it is CFMs and pascals. Pascals meaning the pressure, CFMs meaning how much the unit is leaking. So the unit is always going to be leaking unless you tape the shit out of it and mastic the shit out of it, right? It's always going to leak, for one. But here in Texas or in the Travis in Austin, we have a 3%. Oh, look, I'm glad I came back because I freaking almost forgot this. Travis County, there you go. God, man, I could not think, man. I can't think when the camera's in my face. Anywho, in Travis County, we have a 4% duct leakage, equivalent to the square footage of the home. So let's pretend the home is 2750 square footage, so that being 2,750 feet of AC living area, correct? So you times that by 0.04, and whatever number you get from there, I believe it's like 65, 75, no, like 90 something. Anywho, whatever number you get from that, that's how much, that's your target. That's what you're supposed to get, and or less than that. If it's anything above it, no bueno. So oh, this is blast, bro. Fucking lawnmower right here, dude. What the spray that bit. Anywho, yes, don't mind the truck. It's a little dirty, but you know it's a work truck. Oh, I need to throw that away right now. But it's a work truck, you know that. I've been meaning to clean, but like I said, we oh man, we don't have the other guy anymore, so. All right, so let's go to the next destination. Boy. Yeah. All right, so yo, what's up, y'all? It's the next day. Unfortunately, I did not make an outro. I wasn't able to make an outro. Damn, look at that. Okay. I wasn't able to make an outro. It got real busy. Man, I had to go to a homeowner, two actually, freaking one to smoke a house because there was a bunch of leakage, going on, you know what I'm saying? And then we did some duct work, and man, it was hot up there. My tan shirt came out brown. So we were up in the attic at like around 1:30. We finished like around 4:50. So it was pretty hot, but like, comment, subscribe, brothers, if you like this kind of you know testing up the ducks. I do car stuff too, but yep, catch you in the next one.